9 grooming practices we believe every man should practice. They'll hasten the process by which you look your finest and become more at ease and confident. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. The following are the 9 behaviors of well-groomed guys. 1. SPF. Each day. We frequently discuss anti-aging skincare techniques and the products that repair damage from the sun, wrinkles, dark spots, and other issues. However, you may avoid a lot of trouble and creases by approaching this more proactively. Apply a moisturizer with SPF in the morning to block UV radiation and pollution. Before long sun exposure days, cover up with sunscreen. In addition to avoiding skin cancer, these factors work together to keep the skin from leathering, wrinkling, and producing dark patches. Maintain the practice throughout the winter, on overcast days, or if you work near a window. These UV rays are cunning little rascals. 2. The finer points count when it comes to your beard. Most men trim their beards by using a single trimming guard on one setting to cover their entire face, followed by a naked guard to tidy off the edges. In other words, a lot of us ignore beard styling, which leads to a lack of awareness of the different detailed possibilities offered by many beard trimmers. You can add weight and contrast to the mustache, goatee, or sides by purchasing a detailed trimmer. Either a tool with a dozen different heads or 2 distinct tools. One for trimming, the other for details. These tools come in a variety of guard widths and lengths. Get creative with it since you can see the full canvas. 3. Replace the razor cartridge on a regular basis. This fundamental principle of razor hygiene. It avoids the buildup of germs, hair clippings, and dead skin. Additionally, it guarantees a close, precise shave that is free of ingrown hairs, razor burn, and dragging. The majority of shaving subscription services send blades at reasonable intervals and at predetermined costs, enabling consumers to switch between safety razor blades every time they shave and cartridge razors every 4 to 6 shavings or every 2 weeks, whichever comes first. After giving your razor a thorough rinse, store it upright in a dry, well-ventilated area between uses. 4. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months. The bristles on your toothbrush lose most of their effectiveness after 3 months of use, according to ADA hygiene standards. Replace them because they are whittled, bent, and only cost a few dollars to do so. An oral care subscription from companies like Gobi and Boca, which sends you brush heads at the right intervals and includes a powerful rechargeable brush with your initial order, is the simplest and most regular way to accomplish this. By doing this, you can avoid being the person who adds, "buy new toothbrush," as a recurring calendar event at the beginning of every quarter. 5. Track down a dermatologist. Dermatologists do more than merely examine moles and treat eczema. They should be seen just as frequently as your general practitioner, eye doctor, or dentist. That's because there are so many various skin and hair concerns to address, such as keeping your feet healthy, maintaining your hairline, preventing and treating acne, and, of course, minimizing the indications of aging. They are the guardians of that retinol prescription, but more significantly, they will become intimately familiar with your skin issues, requirements, and objectives, making them the best people to turn to for individualized guidance going forward. Consider it a dermis-specific therapist. 6. Develop 1, 2, or 3 trademark scents. You are a plethora. While it's important to have a trademark aroma, very few scents are suitable for all kinds of settings. Consider the tone you want to set for your colleagues. A timeless classic cologne seems appropriate, and the vibe you want to create for a date night, perhaps a sultry tobacco aroma. Additionally, clothing that looks good on a warm spring day, florals, groundbreaking, won't always feel appropriate in the dead of winter, when broodier remedies shine. For all of these reasons, we advise including some nuance in your collection of colognes. 7. Shampoo less and condition more. How to have consecutive, good hair days, is as follows. Regularly condition, and shampoo much less. The truth is that a thorough rinse will take care of the most of that, despite the fact that it's a terrific way to wash out dirt, filth, excess sebum, and hair product. Additionally, it won't completely remove the hair of its natural oils, which keep it moisturized, healthy, and styleable. You should really shampoo less to train the scalp if an oily scalp is the problem. Over time, less oil will be produced as a result. Washing once every other day at first, then once every third or fourth day. 8. Scalp care is a form of skin care. Many of us only take care of our scalps when they begin to itch or flake. We all need to retrain our minds to understand that in order to maintain healthy, strong hair, minimize sebum buildup, and stop bacterial and fungal growth, the scalp requires just as much work as the skin on your face. So, consider including 1 or 2 products that target the scalp in your routine, such as a scrub, to remove dead skin and increase circulation, which strengthens hairs, a balancing serum, a weekly antifungal wash, or a weekly deep nourishing scalp mask. 9. While you sleep, improve your skin. The quickest route to brighter, firmer, and more evenly toned skin is a nightly skincare routine. This is due to the fact that while you sleep, your body's systems work the hardest to repair and replenish themselves. It's also the reason why getting a good night's sleep can make the difference between feeling well and being sick. It is essential to cleanse before bed, apply a nutrient-rich night cream, and/or use anti-aging retinol treatments because the skin is no exception. These products are even more efficient in preserving the hydration, nourishment, and youth of your face when used in conjunction with 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Like, share, subscribe and comment.